Drones have revolutionized filmmaking by offering unique perspectives and camera movements that traditional equipment can't achieve. From sweeping aerial views to dynamic motion shots, drones have become an essential tool for modern filmmakers. But when it comes to creating content for platforms like Netflix, the bar is much higher. Until recently, filmmakers using drones faced a major challenge. None of the drones on the market met Netflix's strict technical standards for original productions. That has now changed with the official approval of the DJI Inspire 3. This marks a historic milestone, as it becomes the first drone ever allowed for use in Netflix originals. Netflix is known for its high standards when it comes to video quality. They have a very specific list of approved cameras that meet the necessary technical requirements, such as high-resolution sensors, strong dynamic range, and support for professional codecs. For years, even the best drones weren't able to meet those standards, until now. The DJI Inspire 3, equipped with the Zenmuse X9-8K Air camera, has finally broken through that barrier. With this approval, filmmakers can now use drone footage in Netflix originals without facing additional restrictions or needing to shoot separate ground footage with Netflix-approved cameras. For production teams, this means fewer compromises, less post-production hassle, and greater creative freedom. The Inspire 3 is now a serious option for top-tier cinematic storytelling. What makes the Inspire 3 truly special is its camera. The Zenmuse X9-8K Air. This is not your average drone camera. It's a full-frame, professional-grade system designed to deliver the highest quality video possible. It can shoot up to 8K at 75 frames per second in Apple ProRes RAW, or 8K at 25 frames per second in Cinema DNG, both formats widely used in professional film and TV production. The Zenmuse X9-8K Air also offers over 14 stops of dynamic range, which means it can capture incredible detail in both the brightest highlights and darkest shadows. This is a big deal for color grading and post-production, giving editors much more control and flexibility when fine-tuning the look of a scene. Whether you're filming a glowing cityscape at night or a golden sunset over mountains, this camera ensures that no detail gets lost. Another highlight is the Inspire 3's ability to shoot slow-motion video in full 4K at 120 frames per second, using the full-frame sensor without any cropping. Thanks to the S and Q, slow and quick, recording mode, filmmakers can capture smooth, cinematic slow-motion footage without sacrificing image quality or depth of field. This feature is especially useful for action scenes, nature footage, or any moment that benefits from dramatic slow motion. The result is silky, detailed video that maintains the richness and depth of full-frame shooting. One of the less obvious but incredibly useful features of the Zenmuse X9-8K Air is its dual native ISO. This feature gives filmmakers better results in different lighting conditions. At 24 frames per second, a standard frame rate for film, the camera offers ISO settings of 800 and 4000, making it great for both bright daylight and low-light environments. When shooting at higher frame rates, above 30 FPS, the camera switches to a different dual ISO range, 320 and 1600. This adaptability ensures consistently clean footage, whether you're shooting a fast-paced action scene or a quiet, moody interior. Netflix doesn't just look at resolution. Their approval process considers many factors: color depth, codec compatibility, dynamic range, and how well the footage can be handled in professional editing environments. The Inspire 3 checks every box. The drone's performance and image quality are good enough to fit seamlessly into large-scale productions. Whether the footage will be used alongside shots from high-end cinema cameras or be the focus of a scene, it can hold its own in post-production. This approval sends a strong message. Drones are no longer just extra gear used for cool B-roll. They are now key filmmaking tools capable of delivering frontline cinematography. Of course, the Inspire 3 doesn't come cheap. The complete package, drone, and Zenmuse X9-8K Air camera, sells for around $16,499 from major retailers like B&H Photo. This isn't a casual gadget for hobbyists or vacation travelers. It's designed for professional filmmakers, studios, and production companies who need high-end tools that meet broadcast and theatrical standards. While the price is high, it reflects the value the Inspire 3 offers. Compared to hiring helicopters or using crane setups, this drone delivers similar production quality at a fraction of the logistical cost. It also fits in the back of a car, making it far more flexible and efficient on set. With the Inspire 3 leading the way, many in the industry are now wondering, will FPV drones be next to earn Netflix's approval? FPV, first-person view, drones are famous for their fast, dynamic shots. They're often used in action movies, car chases, and sports content for their ability to fly through tight spaces and move in ways other drones can't. However, most FPV drones use custom or non-integrated camera systems, which currently don't meet Netflix's technical standards. But that could change. If companies like DJI develop professional-grade FPV setups with high-quality, Netflix-ready cameras, perhaps something like the Zenmuse on an FPV rig, we might soon see a new wave of drone approvals for high-speed filmmaking. The Netflix approval of the DJI Inspire 3 is a game-changing moment for aerial cinematography. It's the first time drone footage can be used directly in Netflix originals without extra workarounds. For filmmakers, this opens up new creative possibilities and removes one more barrier between idea and execution. While the price puts it out of reach for most solo creators or indie filmmakers, for professionals working on large-scale projects, this drone is now a go-to solution for aerial shots. With its high-end camera, unmatched flexibility, and official Netflix approval, the DJI Inspire 3 stands alone as the most advanced cinematic drone available today, and now officially fit for the world's most demanding screen.